Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing targeted inputs, keywords, locations, and device types. Open an incognito window or a clean browser profile so personalized data doesn't skew results. Once done, launch the Ad Preview and Location Simulator or the Google Ads Preview tool to emulate searches without affecting metrics. Use multiple profiles to compare ad variations. This gives you a neutral baseline and lets you immediately see which competitors are actively bidding on each keyword and for which locations and devices. Now perform systematic searches. Run exact match, phrase match, and broad match queries across the chosen locations and devices. Make sure to toggle language and audience settings to mirror realistic conditions. As you see ads, note ad headlines, descriptions, site links, callouts, and visible URLs, then open the landing pages to log landing content and tracking patterns. Once done, capture screenshots with timestamps so you can track ad rotations and competitor creative changes over time. Finish by analyzing patterns. Compare ad frequency, messaging themes, promotional hooks, and the landing experience to infer bids and quality strategies. Export your observations into a spreadsheet or a simple tracking tool and set a regular review cadence to spot shifts. If you don't see expected ads, try switching IP or VPN, clearing cookies, or adjusting time of day because auctions and budgets change. One troubleshooting tip: if ads vanish, change the simulated location and rerun searches to rule out geo-targeting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.